In a forward movement towards the passage of much-awaited GST bill, the government on Friday listed it for consideration and passage in Rajya Sabha's agenda for the next week. Congress party has been opposing the bill and has demanded amendments before it will support the same.
मैं आपकी अनुमति से सूचित करता हूं कि सोमवार 1 अगस्त 2016 से प्रारंभ होने वाले सप्ताह के दौरान निम्नलिखित सरकारी कार्य लिया जाएगा। आज की कार्यसूची में शामिल निम्नलिखित में से बकाया सरकारी कार्य के किसी मत पर विचार, लोकसभा द्वारा पारित किए गए रूप में निम्नलिखित विधेयकों पर विचार करना और पारित करना। राष्ट्रीय प्रौद्योगिकी विज्ञान शिक्षा अनुसंधान संस्थान संशोधन विधेयक 2016, लोकसभा द्वारा पारित, राज्यसभा की प्रवर समिति द्वारा प्रतिवेदित रूप में संविधान 122वां संशोधन विधेयक 2014 पर विचार और पारित करना।
On Wednesday, Cabinet had cleared key changes in the legislation to address the concerns of the states and to accommodate one of the three demands made by the Congress. Talks are on over the other two demands. It is hoped that this will pave the way for passage of the game changer bill. Meanwhile, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has stepped up the outreach efforts and has been holding meetings with senior Congress leaders and leaders from other parties as well. Government is hopeful that the bill will be passed next week.
जो आने वाला सत्र है उसमें हम जीएसटी पास करने के लिए पूरी तरह से आश्वस्त हैं और सभी राजनीतिक दलों से बहुत सकारात्मक चर्चा, बहुत सकारात्मक बातचीत हुई है और हमें उम्मीद है कि अगले हफ्ते हम जीएसटी पास करेंगे।
The Union Cabinet earlier this week cleared some changes in the bill, including dropping of 1% manufacturing tax and guaranteeing compensation for any revenue losses states may experience in the first 5 years of rolling out the proposed indirect tax scheme. Cabinet also decided that the GST Council will adjudicate any disputes that arise between the centre and the states. The council will have representatives from the centre and the state. Lok Sabha has already cleared the bill, but government found itself in a tight spot owing to the numbers in the upper house. It does not have the majority needed to pass the bill in Rajya Sabha. In recent Rajya Sabha elections, number game has changed in the house, making it easier for the government. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other senior NDA leaders have shown keen interest in getting the GST bill passed with a broad consensus. The new bill will usher in an era of tax reforms and transparency across the nation once it is implemented from 1st of April 2017. DD News.